Okay, we are going to attempt to pour this in without making a mess. Now, if you put an angle to this fork, it'd be a little bit easier. These are perfect stepping stools. So if you angle this over like this, see, it helps you a little bit, see. Gravity always helps you when you do it correctly. So we're just going to pour a little bit of this in here like this. Pretty thin stuff. If it pours out the floor, that means there's a problem. You forgot to put the drain plug in, but I never took the drain plug out, so it should be good. I don't see any oil coming up yet, so that's a good sign. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nope, nope. False alarm. You still got a bunch left. It's a shadow. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's the oil. Whoa, that's a little bit more than I thought I had in there. Okay, that's a little bit more than I wanted to run. See, that doesn't hold very much. There you go. What is that? 6, 5, 4. There's 4 left over. We had 11 something in it. That's not very good. Okay, well, we got 6 inch, 5 inches, so we got a little extra space in there anyway, but I'm thinking that's a little bit more oil than I want in there. Now I'm going to cycle a little bit because that tube in there is probably hollow, I'm guessing. So let's see if it sucks up some of this oil. That would be the dampener tube. Getting worse, not better. That helped a little bit. Yep. She's soaking in a little bit. Not much dampening going from the Harley. I don't think it's working. Maybe I shouldn't have cut so much of a groove in those seals. I don't feel any dampening. I didn't think about I could check it like this, but yeah, I'm guessing that oil ain't doing squat. Yeah, I don't think the dampening is working. Okay, the oil level is down there somewhere, I can't see it. She went down. It's down there about 2 inches, it looks like. My guess is this thing even going to dampen at all. I don't think I'm going to have much dampening on this leg. Would be my guess anyway. That took quite a bit, actually. Okay, we're right here right now on our oil level. I got a little dampening. Yeah, there's a little bit at the very bottom. Yeah. See right here? That's dampening. Once again, it's all rebound, no compression. It's getting a vacuum lock as I come up. Is that staying up higher than it was or not? I'm not sure. No, 5.5. Looks the same. Looks like it sucked more oil in there. She's taking it slowly. Took it all. All 11 ounces. Getting tighter. Oh yeah. I get some dampening now. Suction pulls it right down. Okay. Can't see the oil level. There it is. A couple inches down at least. Probably about 2.5 inches down right now. I'm not putting that extra half ounce in there. We're going to leave it. We're going to risk it. Okay, I need some oil for lubricant up here on my seal, so I got a little bit left over here in the container. A little bit on the threads up here also. That is some thin ass oil, let me tell you. Runneth down. Okay. Super thin, super thin. Alright, now I'm just going to pull up and try to screw this in. And it's not going. I think it started maybe. Yeah. Yeah, it started. There we go. Whew. Needs a workout. Alright. Okay, now I gotta torque this thing down somehow. Okay, we're going to do that the same way we did it before. Hammer torque. Tighten the crescent wrench up. Watch your toe. Okay, she's on there. Okay, now let's see how much dampening we actually got with this front end right now. Doesn't move. Yeah, pretty solid. That is a lot of dampening. Jeez. She don't move. I think that's going to bounce down the road. Yeah, that might be a little bit too stiff. Get over here on some solid ground. So, oh. Damn, that takes a big hit to move that thing. She don't compress very fast. Oh. Boy, that's with no spring in it. It's only that much travel. Yeah. Well, it's still coming. It's about 3 inches of travel there. I pull on it. There, it comes up a little more. I'm pulling on it. There's our 4 inches. Boy, that is really stiff. Good. Not gonna move very much. I don't know if that's good or bad, but if you see the wheel bouncing off the ground as you're going down the road, it's too stiff. Other than that, it's just right. Boy, that is definitely a lot. All right, we'll be back.